Good afternoon, I'm John Perkins with the Closing Market Minute. Soybeans and corn both finished lower on Friday. As for corn, it was basically just profit taking after Thursday's pretty modest gains while keeping an eye on U.S. crop weather, with many areas expected to see generally cooler, wetter conditions, at least during the early part of next week. Soybeans were down sharply, also watching the weather, but primarily continuing to reel from the impact of the decreased export demand from China as their tariffs take effect. Now, some of that slack's going to be picked up by other countries, but at this point, we still could be putting out a pretty large soybean crop again this year with very slow export demand. We'll continue to monitor these developments. And both China and the USDA expect China to purchase fewer soybeans next marketing year. Wheat ended the day mostly higher, with Chicago and Kansas City up on commercial demand around these new price levels, along with some uncertainties about production in parts of North America, the European Union, Black Sea region, and Australia. Live cattle were down and feeders were mixed, closing ahead of widespread direct cash business. Direct trade was very slow to develop on Friday. Box beef was lower at midday. And hogs closed mixed, mostly higher. Now, the nearby contracts were steady to weak on spread activity, but the deferreds had some pretty strong gains thanks to that spread trade and short covering. I'm John Perkins with the Closing Market Minute.